TK313PLUS Replacement pH Electrode. Set includes R. Case. User Manual. pH powder solution. pH powder user guide. Storage bottle and replacement pH electrode. To use, just simply connect directly the replacement pH electrode to the input terminal of your pH meter, pH controller, or any pH device that has a BNC input terminal. This replacement pH electrode is ideal to use for pH testing and monitoring of acid rain, seawater, aquarium, environmental monitoring, food processing, hydroponics, laboratory, and swimming pool.